Cooking with Cats. Oh, welcome back to another Disney fun day where we are cooking another Disney recipe. It's the beignets. Is that how you say it? Beignet. Mickey beignet. Beignet. Beignet.
Beignet.
Beignet. But I've had quite a few people who told me I needed to make this. Like a lot of people. Like a lot of people. And when I say a lot, I mean like 3 people. I don't have that big of a following. I honestly don't even know if it's a Disneyland only or if they sell it at Disney World. I don't know why I've never had these. I just never have. And in honor of me and Tony supposed to be going to Disneyland in a week, I decided to do this. So the first thing that we have to do is sprinkle yeast over warm water in a small bowl. They say the warm water should be at 105 degrees. And these are not all of them. So Tony is sleeping right now, so I'm trying to be kind of quiet and surprise him with beignets. Beignets.
Beignet.
Beignet. Okay, what am I doing? 4th cup water, bowl, measure, temperature, things. All in the water. That might be too hot. Ow! Gosh darn it. It's like 100. That's good enough. I could have gotten a spoon, but oh. This isn't like a real recipe. This was just on like a comment section somewhere on Facebook. Beignet. Combine sugar, shortening, salt, heavy cream, egg, flour, and boiling water. I need to start boiling water. What? That's annoying. How much water? Half a cup of boiling water. It's not a lot of... Okay, come on. No. I didn't have anything. It like barely just coated the bottom. I can't be right. Need you to not. Where's my 4th cup? They didn't come here for you. Yeah, they did. Where's my 4th cup? No? Didn't I just have it? Found it. It's not a lot of sugar. That makes me happy. 2 tablespoons of vegetable shortening. Crisco is vegetable shortening. I'm like pretty sure. It's already been 5 minutes. I need you to get out of here. Get faster. Faster. You go in there. You don't go in there. Ooh. A half teaspoon of salt. Okay. Well, that's just pure guessing. There. A half a cup of heavy cream. Heavy whipping cream is fine. Do you shake it? I don't know. It's sweating a lot. Is there an expiration date? Yeah, I'm good. I'm shaking. It's heavy. All right. Oh, was I supposed to do that? I was. Okay. What now? Flour, and boiling water. Are you boiling? Kind of, almost, soon. How many? How many? 4. Wasn't supposed to sift this, was I? 2, 4. That's a lot of flour. I mean, I don't know if you're still a half a cup, but okay. Freaking out. Wow, this bowl's really hot. Okay, how do you like? Come on. Like that. Sure. You are not looking smooth. Ow! Aha! It's not looking smooth. Looking crummy. What do? Keep going. You're just getting chunkier. I think I need more water. It probably evaporated. It's like my honeymoon. This is probably not happening either. Still probably not gonna know what a beignet tastes like. So it's coming together a little bit better. It might be a little too wet now. Well, what are you gonna do? I mean, it looks like dough now. It's just a little wet. 30 minutes, and we'll be back and see what happens. Looks good? What do you think? Oh, you're just gonna sit right there. Okay. Bubba, maybe we'll go off to the side. Yeah, okay. Okay, that's a good boy. Yeah. We're done? Okay. So it's kind of hard. On the top, we have our dough. Was I supposed to knead this? Am I not kneading this? Ta-da! Cut individual beignets with Mickey Mouse shaped cutter. Oh, tell you what I do have is dinosaur cutters. Dinosaur beignets. Let's see if we can try to do some Mickey shapes. After all, that's why we're all here, right? That looks more like a rabbit. You would think I would understand what Mickey's silhouette looked like, but I really don't. Just gonna remove all the extra dough, get that out of the way. This is what we're gonna... Don't get extinct now. It's not your time. Covering with a towel. Just like that. So it's been about 1.5 hours. They haven't really done anything. The recipe said that it was supposed to like double in size. They look the exact same. So I have to start cooking dinner soon. So we're just gonna go ahead and roll with this. Hope for the best. Medium to high heat. And then it said to have about 3 inches of oil. No measuring, just kind of dumping this in here. And that's all my oil. So 3 inches? No, but those aren't nice and puffy, so anyways, we're just gonna wait a while, have this heat up, and then, I don't know. Oh gosh, oh. Yep, oh yeah, that's ready. Okay. They said about 2 to 3 minutes, or until golden. Ah, ow, shoot. Do I not need to flip it? Shoot. Turning as soon as they brown on one side. Yeah, you guys are like burnt brown. Those cooked so much faster than they were supposed to. These are burnt. These are officially burnt. Cool. I got a bunch of burnt beignets. I got 2 more dinosaurs, so let's not try to kill them. You mean 2 to 3 seconds? those two are almost burnt. I don't know. I'm gonna do one Mickey at a time. I don't even think I'm gonna have Tony try these. That's where I'm at. Oh, that ear is falling off. That looked a little too doughy. Oh God, both of his ears fell off. What do you expect from me? Why? What is why? Alright, so this is what I was supposed to be making. And these bad boys are what I made. Okay, so we gotta try it, right? Eat a little person first. That's burnt. Cooked. Dough doesn't taste weird, but it's burnt. Let's try this one, which shouldn't be as burnt. There's a wonderful dinosaur ride at Animal Kingdom, and it is probably one of my favorite rides. So this makes sense. That tastes a bit doughy. Tried.